Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, your trusted source for expert home and garden insights. Today, we delve into the sophisticated art of evening garden lighting and let's discover how to create stunning evening garden ambience. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Often overlooked, yet profoundly impactful, proper illumination transforms an outdoor space into a captivating extension of your home. Let us begin by addressing the fundamental question. What precisely constitutes evening garden lighting? Evening garden lighting, in its essence, is the strategic placement of light sources to enhance the aesthetics and functionality of your outdoor spaces after dusk. It is not merely about illumination, it is about crafting an atmosphere. It is about highlighting architectural features, accentuating foliage, and creating pathways that invite exploration. It is about extending the usability of your garden well into the evening hours. We are not simply placing lights, we are designing an experience. This is the foundation upon which we will build our discussion. Now, let us examine the tangible benefits of incorporating evening garden lighting. Why invest in this endeavor? The advantages are manifold. Firstly, and perhaps most importantly, it significantly enhances the safety and security of your property. Well-lit pathways and entrances deter potential intruders and prevent accidents. Secondly, it extends the usable hours of your garden. Imagine hosting evening gatherings, enjoying al fresco dining, or simply relaxing in a beautifully illuminated space. Thirdly, it elevates the aesthetic appeal of your landscape. Strategic lighting can highlight the textures and forms of your plants and structures, creating a visually stunning environment. Furthermore, it increases property value. A well-designed garden, illuminated to perfection, adds significant curb appeal. These are not trivial advantages. They are practical and aesthetic enhancements that contribute to the overall quality of your living experience. The question then arises: how does one effectively decorate with evening garden lighting to achieve a visually pleasing result? The key is to approach lighting with a sense of purpose and restraint. Avoid the temptation to over-illuminate. Begin by identifying key focal points in your garden. This could be a striking tree, a water feature, or a patio area. Employ layering techniques, using a combination of ambient, accent, and task lighting. Ambient lighting provides general illumination, accent lighting highlights specific features, and task lighting serves functional purposes, such as illuminating pathways. Consider the color temperature of your lights. Warm, soft lighting creates a cozy and inviting atmosphere, while cooler tones can add a more modern and dramatic effect. Utilize dimmers to control the intensity of your lights, allowing you to create different moods. Remember, less is often more. The goal is to enhance, not overwhelm, your garden's natural beauty. Selecting the appropriate types of evening garden lighting for your backyard is crucial. There is no one-size-fits-all solution. The best choice depends on your specific needs and preferences. However, some lighting types are universally effective. Let us explore the most popular options. Here are 10 excellent evening garden lighting ideas. 1. Path lights. Low-level lights that illuminate pathways, ensuring safe navigation. They should be positioned to avoid glare and create a gentle, guiding effect. 2. Uplights. Positioned at the base of trees or structures, they project light upwards, highlighting their form and texture. Use these to showcase architectural elements or specimen plants. 3. Downlights. Mounted on trees or structures, they cast light downwards, creating a soft, ambient glow. They are ideal for illuminating patios and seating areas. 4. String lights. Versatile and charming, they can be draped across trees, fences, or pergolas, creating a festive and inviting atmosphere. Use warm white bulbs for a cozy effect. 5. Spotlights. Used to highlight specific features, such as sculptures or water features. They provide a focused beam of light, creating dramatic accents. 6. Solar lights. An eco-friendly option that harnesses solar energy. They are easy to install and require no wiring. Use them for general illumination or to highlight small plants. 7. Recessed lights. Installed in decks or patios, they provide a seamless and integrated lighting solution. They are perfect for creating a clean and modern look. 8. Water feature lights. Submersible lights that illuminate ponds, fountains, or waterfalls. They add a magical touch to water features, creating a captivating focal point. 9. Lanterns. Portable and decorative, they can be placed on tables or hung from trees, providing a warm and inviting glow. They are ideal for creating a cozy atmosphere. 10. Motion sensor lights. Primarily used for security, they provide a bright burst of light when motion is detected. Position them strategically to deter potential intruders. Each of these lighting types serves a distinct purpose, and combining them strategically can create a truly remarkable evening garden experience. Remember, the goal is to create a harmonious balance between functionality and aesthetics. Evening garden lighting is a transformative element that can elevate your outdoor space to new heights. By understanding the principles of effective lighting design and selecting the appropriate lighting types, you can create a captivating and inviting environment that extends the enjoyment of your garden well into the night. We encourage you to experiment with different lighting techniques and find what works best for your personal style and preferences. Do not hesitate to begin this project. If you have found this information valuable, please subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more expert insights on interior and exterior design. Like this video, and share it with those who might find it helpful. Your engagement is greatly appreciated. Thank you for joining us. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.